In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change board ownership on Monday.com. If you've been navigating through Monday.com and are ready to change the ownership of a board, you're in the right place. Whether you're managing team projects or tasks, assigning the right person as the board owner ensures that roles and responsibilities are clear and all necessary permissions are correctly set. It's a simple process, so let's go through it step by step. First, let's locate the invite button. You'll find this at the top right corner of your board. This button is your gateway to adjusting access and control over your board and is essential for managing your team effectively. Once you click on the invite button, you will see a list of all the people who are currently subscribed to or have access to your board. This list is incredibly useful for overseeing who is involved in your project and managing those permissions accordingly. Each person on this list has a specific role or access level within your board, and it's structured so you can easily identify who does what. Now, focus on the crown icon that appears next to each user's name on this list. This small yet powerful icon is how you control board ownership. If your aim is to make someone an owner, simply click the crown icon adjacent to their name. That's it. They are now set as the owner of the board. Switching ownership like this is particularly useful if someone else needs to take the lead on a project, or if team responsibilities have shifted. By making them the owner, you provide them with the ability to manage and edit permissions, making sure the board is always well organized and up to date. This process is not only straightforward, but also provides a visual indicator of ownership on your team's workspace, making collaboration clearer and more efficient. It's a simple but effective way to maintain clarity when working with multiple team members. And there you have it. Changing or adding board ownership on Monday.com is as simple as clicking a button. Keep in mind that only certain roles can assign or change ownership, depending on your settings. So make sure your team members are aware of who has the right permissions to make these changes. This method also makes it easy to accommodate changes within your team's structure, allowing for a seamless transition in board management whenever necessary. It's just one of the many ways Monday.com streamlines collaboration and keeps your team aligned. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy managing on Monday.com, and see you in the next tutorial.